Today I am doing brief on Motor Vehicle Amendment Act 2019. A revised Motor Vehicle Act came into effect on September 1st, 2019. The new law has enhanced penalties against a number of traffic violations and driving mistakes made by two or four-wheeler drivers over their irresponsible actions. Then there are provisions under Motor Vehicle Act 2019, traffic violation rules and fines. Section 177 deals with general violations like small violations under traffic rules. The fine will be rupees 500. Section 177A deals with rules of road regulation violation and 500 rupees will be the fine. Then section 179 non-compliance of orders. If a person do not comply with the orders of the police officer, the fine will be rupees 2000. Section 180 unauthorized use of vehicles without license and 5000 rupees fine will be imposed. Section 181 driving without license. If a person drive his or her vehicle without license, the fine will be rupees 5000. Section 182 driving despite disqualification. If a person's driving license is disqualified, then the fine will be rupees 10,000. Section 182B oversized vehicles and the fine will be rupees 5,000. Section 183 that deals with overspeeding, as the speed limit is there for every vehicle, two-wheeler, four-wheeler, heavy load vehicles. So rupees 1000 for light motor vehicles, rupees 2000 for medium passenger vehicles. Section 184 dangerous driving. If you jump lights or you are not following rules and regulations, then the fine will be up to rupees 5000. Section 185 drunken driving. It means consumption of alcohol or any other drugs. Rupees 10,000 will be the fine. Section 189 speeding or racing on the road. Then 5,000 rupees will be imposed as a fine. Section 192A vehicle without permit. If a person do not have any permit to drive that vehicle, then the fine will be up to rupees 5,000. Then section 194 overloading. Rupees 20,000 and rupees 2,000 per extra ton. It comes under consumer goods and all. Section 194A overloading of passengers. Rupees 1,000 per extra passenger. Then section 194B without seat belt. If a person drives his or her vehicle without seat belt, the fine will be rupees 1,000. Section 194C overloading of two-wheelers, and the fine will be rupees 2,000 and disqualification of license for 3 months. Section 194D without helmets. If a person drives his or her vehicle without helmets, Then the fine will be rupees 1000 and disqualification of license for 3 months. Section 94E deals with not giving way to emergency vehicles. Emergency vehicles are ambulance or police vehicles. The fine will be rupees 10,000. Section 196, driving without insurance. Then the fine will be rupees 2,000. Section 199, offences by juveniles. The person who is under the age of 16 years. Guardian owner shall be deemed to be guilty. Rupees 25,000 with 3 years imprisonment for juvenile to be tried under Juvenile Justice Act. Registration of motor vehicle to be cancelled. Then section 206, power of officers to impound documents. Under this section, the police officer has the power to take away the documents. Suspension of driving license. Under section 183, 184, 185, 189, 190, 194C, 194D, 194E. So under these sections, a police officer can take away or impound the documents. Section 210B, offences committed by enforcing authorities like judiciary or member of police forces. If they commit any offence or do not follow any traffic rule, then twice the penalty under the relevant section. Under relevant section means under which section they violate the rules. So the penalty will be twice or double for enforcing authorities. The National Road Safety Board will be created by the central government to advise the central and state governments on all aspects of road safety and traffic management. Road engineering also comes under this. Section 178, it says about travelling without pass or ticket in state transport buses will cost more, rupees 500. Section 181, I earlier told you, driving without license, the fine will be rupees 5,000 and imprisonment up to 3 months or both. Then again the section 183, penalty for overspeeding has been enhanced. In case of light motor vehicle, it will be rupees 1,000. For medium and heavy passenger or goods vehicles, the penalty will be rupees 2,000 up to rupees 4,000. Second and subsequent offence, impounding of driving license. The officer will take away or suspend the driving license. Section 184, it says dangerous or reckless driving, and the definition which is given under this section is jumping a red light, violating a stop sign, use of mobile phones while driving, passing or overtaking other vehicles in a manner contrary to law, driving against the authorized flow of traffic. The first offence, fine will be 1,000 rupees, imprisonment for 6 months or both. Subsequent or second offence, fine up to rupees 2,000 or imprisonment up to 2 years or both, depends on the offence committed. Section 189, illegal racing on the road. If a person caught with racing or speeding on the road will be imprisoned for up to 3 months or a fine up to rupees 5,000. And for second offence, the fine will be rupees 10,000 and imprisonment for 1 year or both. Section 194E, failure to allow free passage or way to emergency vehicles, ambulance or police vehicles, the fine will be rupees 10,000 and imprisonment up to 6 months or with both in the same case. Then renewal of driving license when it expires. As per the new Motor Vehicle Amendment Act 2019, an individual can apply for renewal of driving license anytime between 1 year before its expiry up to 1 year after its expiry. I want you to listen carefully. This would mean that if your driving license is expiring on June 19, 2020, then you can apply for renewal from June 2019 till 19 June 2021. However, if you apply for renewal after 1 year from the date of expiry of license, means if you apply after 19 June 2021, it means like if you apply on June 20 or June 21, 2021, after 1 year, so then you will be required to pass the driving test again. तो आपको अपना ड्राइविंग टेस्ट दोबारा से देना होगा. So be careful, be cautious, as this Motor Vehicle Amendment Act is strict, but it's for safe life. Have a good day.